Oh, that made a big difference.
That's huge right there. Still a little soupy though.
Don't mind the smoke, it's normal.
Yeah. You don't get a run at this one, bro.
I think if it's dried out, you get a nice little run.
Suck in your winch a little. There you go.
More!
Can't get it back out.
Oh.
Oh, it's alright. It's got slack in it. You're good.
Oh,
man, that's fun.
so violent.
Good. Right there. Good.
Nail it.
Yeah!
Oh, you own it.
Do it again.
Oh, you got it. You got it, Frank.
Trying to hold up. Yeah, I got it.
You got it.
Go. Back up a little more.
A little more. Oh, good. Right there. Launch.
That's it.
Launch off the converter.
You wouldn't think about it.
Oh, that's it right there.
Whoa!
Oh, maybe that'd be a better run over there.
Yeah, right.
Got it. Go. Wow.
He likes to dance.
Kill it!
That's that violent. Oh, so
The
bad.
end of the wing. Can you get it back out?
Wants to cut the rope. There you go.
Yeah.
No more front end hopping.
Go. The winch is stopping.
Yeah, I think smashing the bump stop. No, really?
Look at the smoke coming out of it.
Might have been working a little.
Yeah.